Hello everyone, I am Pradeep Kumar, Assistant Professor of English in Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss on the topic note making. So it is very essential topic for you, how to make a notes while reading your texts or listening to any kind of lectures. That surely help you. Let's move to the presentation. Yes, first we have to discuss what is note making. Everybody should know what is the actual definition for it. Note making is a systematic way of recording important information from a text or a lecture or any discussion. So it's a systematic way of recording important information that can be your permanent record for your further studies. Then it uses keywords, short forms, symbols and also some structured format. So in note taking we do not have any kind of standardized layout. In note making we need to follow the structure. Okay, it helps in a quick revision and better understanding. It always helps you for your better understanding on a text, and also it just helps you to make a quick revision on whatever you are trying to learn regarding your subjects. Why it is important? First and foremost thing is it saves your time and it enhances concentration. When you are just reading some text, when you are making notes, it obviously just increase your concentration. Then it helps recall and retention. Then when you want to just recall everything, again you are not at all just able to read everything in a text. Just if you are just going through your notes, that will just give you all the information regarding to the particular text. Then it improves comprehension, as I already mentioned. Then it is useful for your exams, presentations and also whenever in a state of producing any kind of reports. Next, what are the features we have for a good notes? Number one, it should be a concise. We need to focus only on main ideas. It is not like essay writing, it is not like a paragraph writing, so no need to cook up any other stories. We need to focus to the point, we need to focus on main ideas. Then second one, it should have some kind of organization. It should have a clear structure for making the notes. And point number three, accuracy is also very much important here. So correct information we should make whenever we just making a notes. We do not just give our own imagination in our writing there. So whatever available in a text, we need to just make accordingly the notes. Then it is easy to revise and also it should be very easy to read. Then last one is, nowadays we people very much interest using that abbreviations. We ourselves just coining so many new words in English that shouldn't use it in notes making. So we can use abbreviation, but accepted terms alone we need to use it there, and we can use symbols also. So for just recapitulate all the things in a text. Then what are the process involving in note making? Number one, you have to read carefully whatever the text available in our hands, or if you are in a position to listen something, you need to listen carefully. Then identify the main ideas. While reading, you need to concentrate more for finding your main ideas. Only then it is easy to make all the notes. Then find key points and supporting details. After finding main ideas, whatever the supporting details we have for the given main idea, we need to find it out. Then we need to just find out what is the appropriate heading and also what should be the appropriate subheading also, we need to find it out. Then we can make use of some abbreviations and symbols also. Then at last, it is optional, but then if in a position to just make a summary, we have to prepare a summary. So these are the process involving in notes making. Next, of course, as I already mentioned, the structure is very important. So we need to go with the format. So after reading whatever the text may be, count either as short passage or long passage, that doesn't matter. So you need to read carefully. Then we need to go according to this format. So here we need to give a main title. What would be the theme of the passage? Accordingly we need to fix a title. Then we need to identify the main points. So in a passage maybe 4 to 5 main points are there. So you just list it out like numbers 1, 2, 3. If you are using numbers here, then you can use some alphabets for your sub points. Point A. If you have another sub point, you can just change again the pattern of numbering. Roman letter I have used it here. So this is the exact pattern we need to use it in notes making. So main point number 1 and point number 2. If so, we have point number 3 and point number 4 and point number 5. We need to go with the same pattern. So in the sub points we can use some abbreviation and short forms of the text and also with some kind of symbols. Already I mentioned in the previous slides. Yes. What are the tips for effective note making? So of course, whatever the writing form, obviously we need certain tips to make without any error we need to write. So first and foremost thing is avoid complete sentences. So you need to avoid to just make a notes in a complete statement. You need to paraphrase or you need to rephrase it. So there we can have a exact form here. Then use bullet points always. Then highlight keywords. So what are the important vocabularies we have there? So make use of that highlight like that, you can use that keywords. Then maintain uniform identification. So the unity, I mean that uniformly we need to just make all these things and also keep notes neat and clear. So only then we can recall and whenever we want we can recapture everything for our further purpose. Yes. And next thing is what are the don'ts we have. Okay. So here 7 points are there. First one is never use diagrams. Even in our text, if it has any kind of diagram, we just simply ignore it. So never use diagrams. And point number 2, avoid writing unnecessary facts. So we don't want to cook up anything. Accordingly, whatever the thing we have in a text, we need to move along with that. Then avoid using examples. No need of using any kind of examples, only focus on the facts. Then never begin with the verb. And also don't repeat any information. Repetition is not at all allowed here because that will help you to just make you the better understanding. Okay. So if you make more number of individual points, that will help you to make a recapitulation. And then don't use confusing abbreviations. So already I mentioned you accepted terms alone we need to use here. Then don't abbreviate every word. Use one abbreviation in one point. We can have, but then not at all using all these, all the points in abbreviated terms. Okay. Yes. What are the applications? After learning this topic, where are we going to just using this? First one, regarding your examination preparation, then for your research, and then for preparing any speeches or any presentations, then preparing a report or any kind of project writing, and even for a professional meeting. So these are the various places we are just apply the skill of notes making. So finally conclusion. Yes, note making is a powerful skill where we need to just utilize all the points whatever we are just taken from the text, it is for our remembrance, and it helps organize information, enhance learning and improve productivity. So it helps organize information. So it will be very much helpful for you to just organize your thoughts, and it just surely enhance your learning part. And last point is practicing it regularly, that leads to better academic and also in your professional outcomes. Thank you.